delighted to present a spectacular 1+1 condo suite in the heart of Burlington. It's really just a stone throw away from all the major highways and the GO train as well, so perfect for commuters. But really, why would you want to go elsewhere? It's a spectacular kitchen, updated with stainless steel appliances and a massive breakfast bar, adequate for 4 or 5 people to enjoy while you're cooking. So here we are in the living room, which is my favorite place in the entire suite. It's an open plan to the kitchen, it flows one room to the next, and it's comfy, it's cozy, it's ideal for reading, for chit-chatting, and watching your favorite Netflix show. And it opens up to a private balcony where you can actually barbecue. Now, what's amazing about this unit is that it's on the top floor, which is seldom offered. And we have these spectacular, colossal vaulted ceilings, which really opens up the space. And now I'll show you the primary bedroom, which is a really great size. Tons of light, just buckets pouring in from the west-facing views. This is a double bed, but easily it could accommodate a king, maybe even a California king if you're feeling ambitious. So here we are in the bright, beautiful bonus room, currently set up as an office, but it could easily be a nursery for an expanding family, a study. And don't we enjoy this westerly facing little nook where you can enjoy a coffee in the morning or the sun sets. And if you'd like a private showing, I'd be happy to set it up.